YouTube friends and family. Hopefully I can finish this in my allotted time. But I do have another gift giving guide for Dollar Tree. I do have a pretty sizable haul here. Oh my goodness. This is pretty sizable, so let's get started. Some of this is not gifts, but most of it is. So I bought these to add to the drink fridge. Strawberry lemonade flavor renewed drinks. These are great to put in your prepper's pantry. This is drink. This is drink that is good till September of 2026. This is great to add to the prepper's pantry. If you want something different than just straight water, this is a great item to add. The cars. So if you want to do a man's car care basket, which is a great idea for for a Christmas gift, then you have multi-surface cleaning wipes in a citrus scent, and you have lemon scented automotive protective wipes like Armor All. So they also have the glass wipes, which I almost picked up today, but I was like, let me get these and be done. I got glass cleaner and I'll use the paper towel. So I do always add to my son's school supplies. Graph paper is something that can be expensive, can be a little bit pricier, but they had it at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. So I grabbed a pack of that to add to his school supplies. So these right here, for my planner people, my journalers, we have pens. These pens retail for like a lot of money, $5, $6, $7, $8 online. This is the Zebra Sensations and the Sarasas. They do retail for a good little bit online, but they are at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. So this is a good pickup item for our planners, journalers, and artists. These are cool. These are dupe of the Scrubbing Bubbles toilet cleaning gel. You add this where the water comes down and your toilet gets a mini wash at every flush. Kind of keeps down the dirt and the crud, especially if you're going to have visitors, and keeps down the scents and the smells. So I did say I'll give that a try. So giftable. So giftable. They had this in Motley Crue and some other kind of, designs. But I thought this is so giftable. This is one pair of socks with the monkeys, Paul Frank. And it even has the to from. You can hide $5 in here. I guess you could. No, you gotta really tamper with it. But you can push $5 in there and give it to somebody. If they never open it, then they'll donate the $5 to whoever buys it at the Goodwill. So I say open everything and use everything that you're gifted, because I've heard of people putting checks in the middle of Bibles and books just to see if you really open them and you really appreciated their gift. Okay? So please consider that. Crafting supplies. Let's go with crafting supplies. We have pom-pom makers. I don't know, has Dollar Tree had these all the time? Because this looks like a new item. It is a Crafter's Square brand, but it is a pom-pom maker. They have the instructions on top. But that is a cool crafting supply that I wanted to add to the collection. Or if you're doing a crafting basket. These finger protectors, if you're playing with that glue gun, don't want to burn your fingers, these really do help. And I don't know why I bought this, because I don't want to actually just go look for the ones I have. But crochet needles. They do have a set of those. And these are the pretty much a little bit larger ones. They're not the tiny ones. But you get all two for the $1.25. And glue sticks. Yes, they do carry glue sticks. It's not a large quantity. It's 20 pieces, but it can get you through a project in a crunch. And then I bought another one of these Z Grip Flight pens. So that is a good gift idea if you're giving a journal. That is a nicer, higher end pen to give with the journal. The wonton strips, great soup toppers, salad toppers, things like that. So I say I'll give these a try. It's a mess over here. It is a whole pile of stuff over here. This is going to be part of a gift, but I thought this was a pretty good flavor. Peach mango. Don't that sound good? Peach mango, Dole brand. And it is, what, how many in the pack? 6 in a pack. 6 in a pack. And I'm just going to take them out and do them individually because they are easily individually giftable. So if you wanted to throw in a cup, do a cup gift, you can either give the whole box or you can give them individually. Give two to each person. So they have these club cracker dupes, and they are 6 individual packs. I love the 6 individual packs. It helps with keeping it fresh. It helps with portion control, and it says serving time size 4 crackers, but you know we gonna sit there and eat more than 4 crackers. But even if we're sitting there eating more than 4, they broke it down to where you stop at the pack, the individual pack. So I do like this. And these, great addition to a snack basket. Festive, and they taste good. I like these. I like all the flips that have been covered in something. I've tested them all, and I give them a thumbs up because they are good. These are great gift additions because you can pull them out the bag and scatter them in your gifts. You don't have to give a whole bag away. I love that they are the festive colors, and everybody loves the Andes Mint. They taste so good. These are giftables, and everybody love them. Everybody love them. Everybody like these cookies this time of year. Everybody like these cookies and are excited to get them out. So if you wanted to, your work people, you wanted to give a little token to your co-workers, nice $1.25. I ain't forget you this Christmas season, but we all broke because we all work at the same place, you see. So for those who still work in the office around people, I start my new remote job on the 5th. So I'm going to be right here in my house, and I'm my co-worker, and I'm going to sit around and eat me some of these cookies because I'm gifted one to myself. So, Classic Ranch, I bought this because I make something called Bacon Ranch Crescents. It's a nice little snack treat. Cameraman loves them. As you know, if you see my Costco and Sam's hauls, I always buy a big bag of bacon bits. Always have shredded cheese, a little bit of ranch dressing, roll that crescent, slice them into rolls, bake them. You talking about a delicious treat, appetizer, snack, whatever, after school snack, 2-3 kids, they will tear them up. So I always need ranch dressing for that. And the more flavorful the ranch, the more flavorful the dish. So, in one of my last videos, I bought Barton's. These do taste good. Costco sells this same brand of candy. Costco does sell this Barton's brand of candy, but they sell it in a big old sack. These are perfectly giftable for $1.25. So they have the sea salt caramels. They also have cashew clusters, which I showed in my last haul. They also have, I've personally tasted these, peanut butter clusters. Peanut butter clusters. Delicious. However, let me warn you. I warned in the cashew video. See those little spots on the box? You want to be careful. Look out for that. That's not giftable anymore. I'm going to have to eat those. So sad. I'm going to have to eat these myself. But See the grease stain? I don't like that as a gift. So be aware when you're purchasing this, because you don't want to give a grease stain gift. I don't know if they got a little melted. Might have been my fault because I did have them in the car. So start watching out for that when you are purchasing these from the Dollar Tree. That one has a little one, but it'll pass. So then the last one is the peanut crisp clusters. Did I taste these? Yes, I tasted these. I have tasted these and they were delicious. So Barton's Candy, if you get them, this would be a good coworker gift. But you got to be careful with the nuts. At least with the other item. What was it? I forgot that quick. With the cookies, you don't have to worry about nuts. With this, you don't have to worry about nut allergies, blah, 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 blah. It does say wheat, milk, soy, and and manufacturing a facility that processes nuts. But that's a little bit better than giving them a nut outright. Unless it's a coworker you don't like, and you say, "Oh, here's your Christmas gift," something they can't even use. But we ain't going there because we nice. We gonna be happy and nice and celebrate the holiday season. Yes, we are, and be nice to all. No matter how they've been to us, we're gonna learn to be nice to everyone. How about that? So that is the full haul. And I do thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you've tried these candies. Do you agree that they are very tasty? Do you look forward to the Danish tin cookies? And do you have any uses for the tins afterwards other than recycle? Do you save those tins? Let me know what you do with them in the comments below. But I do thank you so much for watching. And as always, prep and pray and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. I love you to life. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.